Hi guys, first of all get screenshot of this grid beforehand for editing as me. Then open CapCut and tap to new project, select 22 photos. Then let's adjust them to the seconds formations those were in the beginning of this video. Okay, done, and set animation effects to each photo and be attentive. Select pendulum 1 and pendulum 2 effects as 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 till the last photo. Okay, our video is almost done. Let's save. Then select Save Video and make copy 3 times and add this music. And go to the end of music. And cut the unnecessary part of music and video. Finally save our work, and that's all. Subscribe to my channel for other additions.